Hi everyone, welcome back to today's live stream with Golden Girl. All right, today is Tuesday, right? And yesterday I do not online because we just after a holiday, right? What is this called? Easter, right? Is that Easter? Hi, Wasim. Welcome back, my friends. Just a few minutes ago, before I start the live stream, we just have a limit cell signal at the entry 46 to 65, yeah, to 68, and stop loss is taken at 75. Hello. All right, so now market is moved in high volatility, so that's why in the VIP channel I will lengthen the stop loss level a little bit so that you should manage your trading volume so well this time. Do not greedy. Do not be greedy to enter a lot of entry and increase your trading volume. All right. Perfect sell entry. It happened. Hi, Sahil. Welcome back, my friends. Welcome back. Hang on a second. I need to send today's live stream link on the YouTube. Sorry, on the community on Telegram. Can we sell? All right. Yeah, let's sell. Let's sell. About 56 to 58 as stop loss will be taken at 63. Okay, game set and good luck everyone. We are just about around the entry. Let me invite another friends to join my live stream by sending the link on my community channel. Hang on a second. Hello, I'm back. Okay, price is just hanging around the entry and now we are watching in 5-minute time frame. So this is the analysis for this sell signal. All right, you can see that 3 EMA ribbons is crossing over right now, and it is under a trend line, right? Under the selling pressure with a visible trend line here. Another reason that I set up the sell signal is that you can see, yeah, 1 hour time frame. There is a dynamic dynamic resistance zone at EMA 34. Okay, so if you enter entry 56, 58, yeah, you should close entry 56, close the bad entry, all right? And it already run 20 pips to everyone. 20 pips, moving from 58 to 56. Okay, did you sell? Did you sell for this signal? Did you enter for this signal, my friends? who is watching the live stream today. Okay, still moving. Anyone enter the sell signal? Anyone? Come on, let's interact with me. Wasim and Sahil, did you enter for this sell signal, my friends? Okay, 30 pips. 30 pips. Peacefully. 30 pips peacefully. And next, that is, yeah, another 40 pips. Profit is still increasing. Anyone follow me this signal? Just let me know. Okay, thank you. I'm very happy that you have profits with me in today's live stream. Collected 30 pips. Such a good profit in the high volatility market. Yeah, but for me, in the bigger view, gold price is under selling pressure and it can dropping down. Yeah, it can falling down to 50 if you can wait. Okay, so did you exit the trade or take parcels? Do you exit the trade or just take parcel, my friend? Because in my opinion, it can falling down to 50. Because the previous 5 minutes candle, the body of this, yeah, the closing price is closed below, yeah, EMA ribbons. All right, sell signal, 56 to 58, taken 30 pips. This is why I advise you that we should take parcels if we hit our first take profit. Is usually 30 pips. Oh, you re-enter, right? If you want to re-enter, yeah, let's consider your trading volume and accept risk. It's still moving around and yeah, let's see how it does 5 minutes candle close. Hi, hello my friends who is joining my live stream today. Wow, reverse signal. Yeah, we sell at 39 and 41. Yeah, you can see that's the resistance zone I draw last week. That is exactly a perfect sell signal, right? A sell zone, perfect sell zone. Double top pattern appears on 1 hour chart. And after that, it's just moving sideways. After that, just moving sideways, and you can identify the range of gold. That is lasting from, yeah, from 45.54 heading up to 47.07. That is nearly $150 right zone. And thus it seems like half of the way if we choose Fibonacci retracement. This tool, okay, Fibonacci retracement to measure the length of the bearish wave. You can realize that most of the range, gold price facing with a bearish momentum or selling pressure when it touched to, when it's heading near to 0.618 level. That is 4706. This is how I use Fibonacci retracement to measure the level. That's price tend to reverse or follow the previous main momentum. Okay, so we will consider, we will pay attention to the level at 4706. 4706. 4706. Hi, Pralat, my friends. All right, I hope that you did not late for today's sell signal. Re-enter or not? Let's see how is it moving. Yeah, you can re-enter, but consider small lot. All right, consider small lot. Let's coming back to 5-minute time frame. You can see that it's struggling between the sellers and buyer at this area between two EMA ribbons at EMA 34 and 89. Yeah, let's jumping into the 5-minute time frame. Like I said, you can consider small lot to re-enter this zone. All right. The bullish momentum is not clear and not strong enough. All right, round 2. I will come back. Yeah, I will re-enter with all of you again. We have the first entry at 57. 57. Round 2. All right. Once again, yeah, falling down. 30 pips already. 30 pips from entry 57. Yeah, touch wood for a new week. Actually, that is heading around 35 pips. Yeah, 35 pips. For anyone, that provides signal, who is setting up the signal. Every pips is very precious. Okay, you can see that the bearish momentum is very strong. Okay, congratulations everyone that you decide to re-enter on time. Yeah, this time market bless us, right? You join my live stream late, but price coming back to the entry and took all of us on board again. All right. Let's see how it is moving. 50 pips from entry 57. Price is still under a very, very, very strong bearish momentum. Okay, it's heading down, still heading down. Yeah, I told you. Market is still under a lot of bearish momentum because you see, yeah, the signal from the previous candle, the market shows you it cannot break out strongly from 57 or 58. Yeah, you can see the highest level of this 5-minute candle was just 59. Yeah, 46 and 59 level. So after that, there are crossing over. Yeah, a crossover of 3 EMA ribbons, 34, 89, and 200. And also there is a trend line. Yeah, there's a trend line. So that's just 3 conditions confluence together. And that's why, yeah, I set up the sell signal at the entry 56 to 57 and decide to re-enter again when it's coming back to the entry. Okay, sometimes the market will tell us everything if you pay attention to every move of the candle. Every move of the candle. Okay, congratulations everyone for today winning pips. Yeah, winning signal with Golden Girl. When to close? That just depends to your target, my friends. Depends to your target. You can close if it meets your first target is at 50 pips or 30 pips. It depends to your choice and your risk-reward ratio. And if you want to hold for longer, taking profit, you can wait. Yeah, you can be patient. But first, to protect your profit you had, yeah, you took from the market, you can take parcels. Okay, you can take parcels and wait. Hold the rest to the bigger taken profit. But now the market is moving sideways, so I guess that it is moving slowly but slowly. All right, and if you want to hold until the deeper level, around 50 to 7 to 47, it's gonna take you a while. Yeah, the market's gonna take you for a while if it's want to coming back to a lower level. Okay, Braga, do you take parcels for this signal, my friend? Do you take parcels yet? So today, yeah, the market kind of quietly in the beginning of New York session, right? Let's see. Tuesday, we just had a news. We just had news before start the live stream. Durable good orders. That is just an orange news, so you can see that the markets move quietly, peacefully. All right, so let's see. Yeah, tomorrow I will live stream again. All right, don't miss tomorrow live stream trading session. And yeah, tomorrow we will have FOMC meeting minutes at 8 p.m. It's very, very late at the country in Asia. So we can trade, yeah, in the early Asian session on Thursday. So the beginning of new week is very busy, right? With core PCE and final GDP quarter over quarter and FOMC meeting minutes as well. So it will show you their intention, their decisions, if they want to decrease or keep the current interest rate or not. Okay, just coming back to the entry, but this time, yeah, I do not recommend you to re-enter. Yeah, I do not recommend you to re-enter for the second round, for the third round. Let's see. Yeah, let's see and wait how this candle close, okay? Very strong bullish momentum coming back, and if the closing price close above the resistance crossover, yeah, which means the closing price is higher than 46.58. Yeah, that's just the decision of the buyers controlling the market again. But it cannot break out. Yeah, you can consider to hold the current sell signal. Every candle is the language of the market. All right, remember this knowledge. So that is we call the price action. All right, you can see that it just, yeah, the previous price closed above the crossover of 3 EMA ribbons. And the next candle, you see, is starting immediately for the bullish momentum. But I concern the previous candle wicks. Yeah, let's see that it will continue to break over, continue to break out from 46.61 or reverse. Yeah, reverse again. Let's see. But for me, yeah, it will retest. It will retest first before it want to coming back to the bullish momentum. All right, anyone you are still in the trade or you hold any position? Okay, my friends, you're watching my live stream today. Don't forget to like today's live stream video and subscribe my channel to receive the notification when I start live stream. And if you want to find me on Telegram community, yeah, to join in my VIP channel, you can find me by searching this name, Nova Scalper VIP. All right, Nova Scalper VIP. I will instruct you how to join my channel. First, the first option is that you pay for a fee less than $50 and you will receive a chance to join my channel. VIP channel, more than 15 signals for you to trade every day. And the second option is that you can open your account under my link and I can instruct you, yeah, to join in my VIP channel for free. But first, you need to meet the deposit level. Okay, and also there is a very, very interesting way that I can see the current problems that everyone, you will miss the chance to enter the sell signal or any scalping signal because the market is moving in high volatility and it's moving so fast, right? Sometimes, or we usually missed the signal, right? We usually miss the signal. And how to solve it? Now I cooperating with a new technology company. All right, and you asking me a lot for the copy trading, and now it's time for me to launch this tool, yeah, this service to everyone. Okay, so just send me direct message on Telegram and I will instruct you how to do it. All right. This is the how I solved the problem. And I hope that it is convenient for everyone. You will be less pay attention to the market and just let the bot run. Yeah, just let the bot run. All right. If it closes, you check the MT5 on your trading platforms and then you continue to receive the signal in the VIP channel. All right. And you can enter, and also that it will always make sure, yeah, the losing rate will be followed strictly with a tight tight percentage of losing rate. That is how we trade smartly, right? Now we do not work hard anymore, not trade hard anymore. We work smart. Yeah, we work smart, we trade smart. Work hard, work smart. That is how we can survive in this crazy market as long as we can. Okay, gold price is gradually recovered to previous resistance zone. Yeah, so that's why this time we should enter. Yeah, we should expect it for short target, for short taken profit, for sell signal. Now price is coming back to the trend line and retest. Right? It coming back to the trend line and retest. Hello, my friends watching the live stream today. Yeah, let me know that you are holding any position or how many profit you can have. I am very curious for your winning rate today. Okay, now it's dropping down severely. Yeah, coming back to 48. All right, in the VIP channel, I just post a sell signal at 61 to 58. Sell signal, quick scalping signal. Like I predicted in the beginning of the live stream, yeah, it's gonna be falling down to 50, and now, yeah, you can see that obviously it's heading down to 48. All right, my friends who's watching the live stream today, yeah, can you tell me that you had the winning pay? Sorry. Do you have the winning pitch when you join my live stream today? Dropping down from 61. So that's why, yeah, you can see that when you join my VB channel, it's gonna be more advantage for you because you will receive the real-time trading signal with an appropriate entry. Okay, so let's coming back to 1 hour time frame and set up our strategy for today New York session. Okay, so I will continue to predict that the market will follow this range. Yeah, between between three EMA ribbons from 46.60 and down to 46.34. Now that is the nearest price zone that gold can move sideways in this area. EMA, yeah, EMA range. Okay, it's heading down to 47, 45, 45. And also, yeah, there's a lack of liquidity. This 1 hour candle, you can see that the previous candle wicks appears here. That is shows you, yeah, the imbalance between sellers and buyers. So this time it's already broke down. Yeah, it's already break down the level. 45, 46, 45. So it's easily heading down, and the next target, the biggest target gold can reach to is 46.28. All right, 46.28. So this time, yeah, today in the early Asian session, in today early New York session, the market is kind of touch wood for all traders who want to set up the signal, scalping signal. Because, yeah, obviously you can see the signal that there's a lot of conditions confluence together and there's not too much things that unexpected happened, right? And the market is still moving well according to our analysis. Okay, and another things is that you see one by one level we identify that it is easily for us to predict, yeah, the next move of the market. Predicted the next move of the market, and in a bigger view that the market is still accumulating around 46 4600 to 46 or 4700 $100 price zone. Okay. And one more thing, yeah, I would like to give the notice to you is that gold price is not facing with a very strong bullish momentum in the short term. It cannot recover to $5,000 level in the short term. Of course, the geopolitical tensions in the Middle East is still increasing, and the oil price, gas price, gasoline, right, is keep on increasing in every countries, All right, so that's why gold do not have any support, yeah, any powerful support. to coming back to $5,000 level, at least this month. Yeah, at least within this month. So let's pay attention to any bullish momentum. That's just the bullet trap. All right, I would like to give you this alert to avoid the rebound trade. Okay, you can see that everyone they holding the hope that gold. Yeah, that gold will recover to 4800. Yeah, it did. But immediately, you see, a doji candle appears and it changed everything. It collapses more than $100, $150 from 4800. And now it is continue moving sideways for more than nearly a week. Yeah, nearly a week. So be aware of for bullish trap. All right, if you see, yeah, there is consecutive bullish candle form on the chart. If you full move and enter to the buy signal without checking and set up a perfect entry, yeah, a safe entry, that is easily wipe out your account, your trading account, because 1 minute candle can move up to 100 pips, even 1,000 pips in the blink of an eye. You just blink and you lost money. So no one expected for that, right? So this time, yeah, we just do it. Trace carefully, all right? Trace carefully. And if you listen to anyone's invitations for 100% winning rate, that is just a scammer. Yeah, that's just a scammer, because that's it. Trading is probability and stop loss is a part of the game, right? I think that you already hear this many times and learned by heart for this sentence. But yeah, indeed, that is the truth. So you can see currently gold price in 1 hour candle, it's still under a lot of bearish momentum and still heading down, yeah, to 46.29. That is my expectation target for this sell signal at the entry 61 that I post in the VIP channel. Hi Bradka, did you enter for the sell signal once again at the entry 61? Alright, it's already 200 pips for everyone enter the sell signal at 61. The trend line is very powerful, and now, yeah, in the Middle East, geopolitical tensions is still keep on increasing every day, and that's why that is also considered as the main reason for the strong selling pressure to gold. Okay, let's see. Let's see that when I when I end the live stream, yeah, it's gonna feel and heading to 46.29, like I told you. Hi, Lisa. Welcome back, my friend. I hope that you did not late for today's live stream, because we just had a very successful sell signal and on the live stream and on the VIP channel as well. Hi, Mr. Sam. Welcome to my live stream today. Because I already gave you 2 scalping signal on the live stream, so the perfect sell entry at 61. I just posted in the VIP channel to protect the benefit for VIP members. So if you want to increase your winning rate and make money from this market safely, welcome to the VIP channel. You can find me by searching this name known as Scalper VIP, and I will instruct you how to join in my VIP channel. And there's a new service. Okay, there's a new service you can trade. You can trade, follow me, copy my signal, and using the bot for the copy trading. Hi, Mr. Min, welcome back. Yeah, I told you that the market is heading down to 46.29, and yeah, that is the biggest target I'm aiming now. How? Hi, Daisy. What are you interested in, my friend? How to join my VIP channel or copy trading or the service that I'm about to provide it to you? Okay, just find me on Telegram and I will instruct you in detail for this new tool, okay? Because I can see, yeah, the main problem of you is that you cannot enter the signal on time because the market is moving in high volatility. Sometimes we will miss and it will cost you a pity, right? So when you enter any trade, sometimes that is a stop loss signal. So now, yeah, I already developed a new way for you to recover and solve this problem. Okay, feel free to send me a direct message on Telegram and yeah, we will negotiate for this issue. All right, thank you so much, Daisy. All right, when I just shared the information to Daisy and it means told me that we should buy at 35, but we didn't catch it on time. But I guess that means, yeah, you are having profit for this buy zone, right? 36, 35 to 36, and yeah, 70 pips already running for this buy signal. What a pity, mean I cannot enter the buy signal on time, yeah, because I interacting with Daisy. Yeah, no worry about this. There's a lot of chance that we can recover. We can set up, yeah, in today New York session and tomorrow again. We should buy, yeah, around 36 to 35. Now it's not a good time for us to buy anymore. Yeah, it's already 100 pips in a blink of an eye. So fast. So fast. So now let's wait for the further signal and I will continue to post the new one in the VIP channel. Alright, if you want to find how to have the qualified scalping signal, welcome to my channel. Yeah, so you can see that it is having a strong bullish momentum when it touched to 46.35. The previous 5-minute candle, it is ending up, yeah, with a significant candle wick. It's not big, but it's not short. Yeah, it's not short and it's not long as well. It is medium. So you can see that it is immediately received bullish momentum when it touched to 46.35. And this will be our paying attention price level. All right. Maybe a short support zone. Yeah, support zone for everyone to observe it. All right. Yeah, let's continue to discuss about this. Yeah, this is instant. Yeah, I believe so. This is instant. And I have tested for several months. Yeah, I have tested for several months. And it already gave me a good quality. And also, yeah, the profit will not as many as other master because I want to protect the safety. Safety is priority. That is my decision when I set up this copy trading. So don't expect for too many winning rate, like 1,000 or 100,000% of winning rate, but a loss is very high. High risk, high returns. All right. So that's why I always remain the loss losing rate is at average, lower than average as the minimum. All right. And that's mean is that the winning pips, the winning rate is not so huge. It can meet your demand that you have profit in the market, but it's not too massive. It's not too huge. Yeah, it's not huge like other master promised to you because I know, yeah, the risk they will bring is very, very high. So that is your choice. Yeah, if you want to trade in a high risk, you will have the high returns. And if you can accept it, yeah, you will dare to do it, right? But if you want to trade safely, like me, okay, you can find me by searching this name, Nova Scalper VIP, and I will instruct you how to do it. Yeah, like VIP. Indeed. But you also need to meet the deposit level. Yeah, the first thing you need to open your trading account and under my link, okay? And after that, you provide me your account number and I will handle it to the broker. Yeah, using my broker only. That's a Bull Prime from Australia. And this is also their service as well. Prime. Yeah. They're famous in Australia and worldwide. 500, my dear, 500. 100 is just playing by yourself. Yeah, 100 is very tiny. It's just for the capital that you can practice. You can practice by your own. Yeah, 500 is the minimum. Is that not too much, right? Not too much. Where's your living country, my friends? Because you are not using USD as the currency, as your currency. SA. All right, I see. HED. Of course, no. You're so funny, my friend. All right, so yeah, the popular currency pair we're still using right now is USD, of course. Hi, Braka. Are you from India, my friend? Are you from India? Lovely country, India. India. Okay, my friends, that you are living in the Middle East country and you're still watching my live stream today. I hope that you can take care and stay safe no matter what happens. I always wish for peace. Yeah, peace is coming to everyone. All right. Yeah, you are living in India and you can also use the service from Golden Girl. Yeah, because I have a lot of friends globally. Now I'm living in France with my family. I'm a half Asian girl, half Asian and France. So you can see my Asians is a little bit different from French. No. My friends. Yeah, there's some misunderstanding right now. I'm answering Daisy for the minimum deposit. All right. How to use the copy trading in my team. All right. I do not joke for your account at all. All right. Do not misunderstand what I mean. All right. And yeah, there's not tensions. I think I know that money is very, very precious, and every trading account is precious as well. But the minimum, if you want to use the copy trading service from the Golden Girl team, is $500. And I just joke to Daisy. All right, so if you enter my live stream late and you misunderstand for what I mean, and that is a how to say, I'm nervous for this one. Yeah. We're just joking, so it's not mean anything else at all. Yeah, you need to listen to the full story before you want to say anything, okay? Yeah, no worries. I'm very friendly, and yeah, if you want to join the copy trading service, welcome to Nova Girl by searching this name, Nova Scalper VIP, and I will instruct you how to join in my team. With the best service ever, I can help you, yeah, to develop your training result. That's a smart master account. You know that I am also cooperating with them as well. All right. So we are a team. We are a team, and I also using their service as well, and I also cooperating with them to set up this service. All right. I'm sorry for the misunderstanding in the beginning. And now, yeah, to be clearly that I'm cooperating with a master, but most of the time, yeah, I spend the time in the VIP channel. And if you want to enter the copy trading by using the master, they have the same trading view and strategy to me. All right. So it's not a big difference at all. Which strategy are you using? You can see that now, yeah, the previous sell signal by using trend line in a price action. All right, those are basic knowledge you have learned. In the beginning, you enter to the trading journey, right? So it's not a big deal at all if you can combine these factors together and set up your qualified sell signal, qualified scalping signal. Okay, and once again, yeah, I would like to clarify with you about the copy trading service is that master will be set up this signal. However, they are working to me. Yeah, of course, they need to discuss to Golden Girl before they set up the signal as well. And also, yeah, most of my time I still pay attention to the VIP channel. And we are a team. We negotiate the strategy together. If you are open your live trading account under my link and follow the copy trade, yeah, we are still a team that supports your account. All right. And the losing rate is still protected as the minimum. All right, as the minimum. Yeah, $500, not bad at all. Indeed, because it's not too much. I do not require you that your trading account must be $5,000. No, I don't. Yeah, that is a very common trading account that everyone can open. So that's why I do not require a big volume or bigger money, bigger account. No, I don't. We should trade safely, slowly. All right. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. And tomorrow I will coming back to live stream with you at this time tomorrow, 3 p.m. And thank you so much, my friends, joining my live stream today. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel to receive the notification when I start my stream. All right. Thank you so much, my friends. Today I'm very happy that together we have 2 consecutive winning signals together. Okay. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow. Goodbye. Oh, I just saw the question from Daisy. No, my friend. You shouldn't use 0.1. Yeah, you have your own answers yet, right? My recommendations is for you is you should use from 0.02 yeah to 0.03. That is the most thing you can use for $500 account. All right. Remember this. Follow 1 to 2% rule. All right. Okay. And goodbye. Have a lovely day. See you.